सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Hello students, today we are going to see the different types of accounts. In the last slide we have seen what is partnership, meaning of partnership, then definition of partnership, what are the features of partnership. From the definition itself we have derived the features of partnership. Today I am going to explain you the two types of methods of capital accounts. Okay. There are two types of methods of capital account. One is fixed capital method and the other is fluctuating capital method. In the fixed we have two types, that is current account and the capital account. All the adjustment entries are made in the current account. Capital account are maintained as it is. Okay, so in fixed method there are two types of capital. One is capital account and the other is current account. Now in the capital account, the pro forma of capital method is partners capital account. See, if there are two partners, suppose X and Y, so we are going to draw the ledger format of partners capital account. Here it is particulars X and Y. Okay. Now usually when we employ capital in a partnership, that is the firm's liability, whereas partners have invested in that particular partnership. So the capital accounts will appear in the trial balance on the credit side of the trial balance. Okay, it will appear on the credit side of the trial balance. Those balances we are going to write it over here by balance brought down. Whatever the amount may be, rupees say 1,80,000. 1,80,000 they are going to invest in the initial business. Okay. Then if that partner has brought in additional capital during the year, that will also be mentioned by cash or bank account, whatever additional, suppose 20,000 and 20,000. Okay, then suppose they have brought in the form of assets. Instead of cash they have brought anything in the form of asset, that will be noted by assets. That is whatever the amount of that asset is. Suppose only X has brought in, so we'll write in the X column only and not in the Y column. If both the partners have brought assets, then we are going to write it. So only the capital and additional capital we are going to write in the partners capital account in the fixed capital method. This is first type. Okay, that is partners capital account. ह्याच्यात दोन प्रकार आहेत, एक आहे पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट आणि दुसरा आहे करंट अकाउंट. पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल मध्ये फक्त आपण पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल घेणार आहोत आणि ॲडिशनल कॅपिटल घेणार आहोत. जर ॲसेटच्या स्वरूपात त्यांनी काही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणलेली आहे तर ती पार्टनर्सच्या अकाउंटला दाखवली जाईल. ओनली दिस मच इज गोइंग टू बी टेकन when we are going to make fixed capital method. Next slide. Now see journal entries for this. When additional capital is introduced by a partner, what will be the journal entry for this? Cash or bank account debit. We are going to look at these journal entries in the form of that particular, because that is a different identity. ती एक वेगळी आयडेंटिटी आहे. ठीक आहे, AB पार्टनर्स आहेत आणि ABC लिमिटेड फॉर्म केली. ABC लिमिटेड ही वेगळी है, वो अलग है ABC लिमिटेड, और AB पार्टनर्स अलग है. सो when the partners are going to introduce capital, cash और बैंक अकाउंट, क्योंकि फर्म में अभी कैश आ रही है, क्या हो रहा है, कैश आ रही है, तो कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड, बिकॉज रियल एसेट रूल सेज डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन एंड क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सो कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट to that particular partner's capital account. समझो दोनों ने लेके आया है capital, then we are going to credit both the partners and that much amount. Suppose this is the capital invested in the partnership firm. So what I am going to do? Cash or bank account debit, total of this 1,80,000. So what I am going to do? So I am going to write 1,80,000. Now A 1 lakh, B 80,000. So have you understood? Cash account debit, the total of A and B, what they are investing in the partnership. So 1,80,000, A's capital account 1 lakh, B's capital account 80,000. Being additional capital introduced, or in the beginning also we will make the same entry. अगदी सुरुवातीला पण जर बिझनेस मध्ये इंट्रोड्यूस केलेला असेल कॅपिटल, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दी सेम एंट्री. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट बीइंग कॅपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द बिझनेस. हियर इट इज ॲडिशनल कॅपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द बिझनेस. देन सेकंड, बाय कॅपिटल ब्रॉट इन बाय पार्टनर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ॲसेट्स. इन द प्रोफॉर्मा आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन्ड की जर पार्टनरनी ॲसेटच्या स्वरूपात काय आणलेलं असेल, दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ॲसेट अकाउंट डेबिट. Suppose A has brought machinery of rupees 10,000. So asset will, what will be asset? Machinery 10,000 to A's capital. This will be the entry. Okay, machinery account debit 10,000 to A's capital 10,000. This is the asset brought in by A, being additional capital brought in the form of asset. Now next, pro forma of current account. First we are going to, now current account, it can have a debit balance or as well as credit balance. Usually capital account usually carry a credit balance only, because that is a liability of the firm. For partners it is an asset, but for a firm it is a liability. So if they have given credit current balances in the trial balance, then by balance brought down, here see I have written credit balances X, this much amount, say 10,000, 20,000, whatever figure you can take, or whatever initial in current account they have, that much we are going to take. Now there are various adjustments in the partnership. In the partnership deed we have studied. In the last session I have taught you what interest, how much interest. If the partnership deed is silent about it, then no interest on partners capital, nothing will be given. No interest on drawings, nothing will be given. Only interest on partners loan account will be paid at 6%. But when partnership deed mentions that interest on capital should be given at 5%, 10%, then by interest on capital, whatever be the amount, suppose 10,000 रुपये करंट अकाउंटला आहेत आणि 1,00,000 रुपये कॅपिटल अकाउंटला आहे, तर ते इंटरेस्ट कशावर देणार आहेत? जो इनिशियल कॅपिटल आहे ह्या वर्षीच्या सुरुवातीला त्याच्यावर देणार आहेत. जो शुरू में होगा कैपिटल इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर, उसमें हम लोग उसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट देने वाले हैं एंड नॉट ऑन द करंट बैलेंसेस. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल जो भी अमाउंट आएगा 5% से 6%, 7%, वॉट एवर द पार्टनरशिप डीड अकॉर्डिंग टू द पार्टनरशिप डीड एग्रीड. सपोज कोई पार्टनर फुल टाइम वहाँ पे काम कर रहा है. If suppose there are 3 partners and one is doing the full time job in that particular firm, then he is giving his skills, abilities and capital. So sometimes partner agree to pay off the salaries to a full time partner. So that time by salary will be credited to his personal account. Capital account means current account or personal accounts. So that will be credited. Suppose commission is paid on sales. Suppose say 10 lakhs is the target for that particular firm, and above that 10 lakhs if you make a sale of say 12 lakhs, so additional commission on 2 lakhs will be paid to that particular, because he has taken his skills, abilities, patience to get that sales done. Instead of 10 lakhs he has made 12 lakhs, so 12 lakhs is the, for 2 lakhs they will get the commission. Then when you are going to pay, when you are going to prepare final accounts, what you are going to prepare? Trading account, profit and loss account, partners capital account, and a new balance sheet on that particular date. So when you will come to the conclusion, after gross profit you will come to the net profit, then net profit will be divided in the said ratio, in their whatever ratio be. If nothing is mentioned, then they are going to be equal partners. If nothing is mentioned, they are going to be equal partners. Okay. On the debit side of the current account, what we are going to do to balance? If suppose there is in the trial balance, debit balance is mentioned. So we are going to write the debit balance to balance brought down X and Y. Then on the debit side we are going to write by drawings. सपोज अभी आपके पार्टनर्स ने 1 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट किया है और बाद में 6 महीने के बाद उन्हें लगा कि नहीं अभी मुझे 10,000 रुपए मेरे पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए निकालने हैं. जब उनको पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए निकालने होंगे तो वो क्या होगा? ड्राइंग्स होगा. देन दैट इज 2 ड्राइंग्स. नाउ then whatever amount he has withdrawn, that particular partner, that will be written on the debit side, X or Y, whatever be the partners. Then if suppose the partnership deed says interest on drawings is to be charged to the partners. Okay, so we are going to calculate the interest on drawings and we are going to write it in the amount column. If here it is net profit, if there is a net profit, we are going to credit on their current account. But if there is a loss, we are going to debit on their debit capital balances. Okay, we are going to write on the debit side of their current accounts. And usually this side is heavy. Credit side usually is heavy. We will total up the credit side and then minus the debit side, whatever will be, this will be the balance which will be written on the new balance sheet. Okay, so we are going to total up both the partners credit side capital accounts of credit side and write it, minus it from the debit side, whatever comes will be written on the debit side to balance carried down. This we are going to mention it in the balance sheet. Okay, we are going to mention it in the balance sheet that X current account is so much and Y's current account is so much. Is it clear? If suppose debit side is more, suppose they have made more drawings than whatever is invested in the capital, then it will be by balance carried down. Now this balance is where you are going to write on the balance sheet asset side. This you are going to write it on the liability side. Okay, and this on the asset side. Is it clear? Now first is fixed capital. I've said capital method includes 2. In fixed capital there are 2 types. One is capital account and the other is current account. In the capital accounts you are going to make only capital, additional capital and the asset whatever is brought in the by the partners, that only you are going to record in the capital account, whereas in the current account whatever other factors, that is what they are going to receive and what they are going to pay, will be written in the credit in the current account, capital partners current account. Is it clear this? Now journal entries. See, interest allowed on partners capital. फर्म के लिए क्या होता है इंटरेस्ट अलाउड ऑन कैपिटल, whether it will be a gain or loss for the firm when the firm is paying interest on capital. Naturally it is going to be a loss for the partner, for the firm, sorry, it will be a loss for the partnership firm, but it will be a gain for the partners. Okay, partners are going to receive interest on capital, that will be gain for them. But what it will be, who will be the loser? The firm, because firm is paying interest on capital. Whatever capital they have invested, it is going to pay them interest on capital. So interest on capital account debit to partners capital account or current account. Okay, first you are going to write in current account or capital account credit side by interest on capital, and the next entry will be as, because it is going to be given in the adjustment, so adjustment always carries twofold effects. So first they will be credited to partners current account or capital account, and the next effect will be, since for the firm it is a loss or expense because partners are to be paid interest, so we are going to write on the profit side of profit and loss account. So to interest on, see, profit and loss account debit to interest on capital account, this will be the journal entry. I hope you have all understood it. See, for firm it is an expense, so they are going to write in profit and loss account debit side, and for personal partners it is a gain, so they are going to write on the credit side. Is it clear? Now next, salary or commission allowed to partner. If the partnership deed mentions that particular partners is going to receive salary, going to receive commission, then that is also an expense for the firm, but for a particular partner it is a gain. So salary or commission to partners account debit to partners current account or capital account. See, just now I showed the pro forma. What was written on the pro forma? By salaries, by commission was written. So in the partners current account or capital account, on the credit side it was written, and in the profit and loss account where it will be written, on the debit side. कुठे लिहिला जाईल ते? डेबिट साइडला लिहिला जाईल प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस. सी बी एंट्री, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू सॅलरीज कमिशन अकाउंट. I hope this too is clear. Interest on capital and salary or commission account. Now see, cash or goods taken for personal use by partners. It is a form of drawings only when they are taking goods for personal use. So drawings account debit, where we had written drawings on the debit side of partners capital or current account. Two drawings we have written. So here drawings account debit to cash or goods account. First entry being cash or goods withdrawn for personal use. Now B, partners current account capital account to drawings account. This entry, in this capital account we are going to write two drawings, and in the drawings account to cash, or cash when we are going to prepare cash account on the credit side by drawings of A or by drawings of B, whatever the partner's name, that will appear on the cash account on the credit side, because cash account shows it is a real asset. So debit all what comes in and credit what goes out. Drawings is an expense in the form of cash, it is going out, so we are going to write it on the credit side. Is it clear? Now fourth, interest charge on drawings. Now this is an income for the firm, because the firm is going to charge a particular rate of interest on drawings. Whatever drawings this partner has made, they are going to charge interest on drawings. So partners capital account or current account debit to interest on drawings account. Okay, so on the current account or capital account, two drawings and two interest on drawings will be. And now see, interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss account. In the above this thing, interest on capital, what was the journal entry? Profit and loss account. See, when we were given partners capital interest, profit and loss was debited. Here profit and loss is credited. So interest on drawings is a gain for the firm, so it will be written on the credit side of profit and loss account. Okay, now transfer of net profit. See, in the trading, when you prepare a trading account, you will get a gross profit. Gross profit will be transferred to profit and loss account. Then after deducting indirect expenses, okay, after deducting indirect expenses, direct expenses are written on the trading account debit and credit side, income and expenses. Usually nominal account items appear on the trading account debit and credit side, income credit side, debit side, expenses. So when the net profit after deducting indirect expenses in the profit and loss account, some amount is remaining as net profit after income and expenditure. So there is a profit. So see, net profit. So what we are going to do, profit and loss account debit to partners current or capital account. In the before slide when I was showing you, I had written by net profit. So partners capital or current account debit to net profit. By profit and loss account, in the credit side we had written, okay, so partners current account, so whatever net profit we are going to write it in this form. Then distribution of net loss, see, opposite of this will be, see, net profit and net loss, partners current account or capital account debit to profit and loss account. Now effects of profit and loss account. See, in the profit and loss account, what we are going to do, by interest on drawings we are going to write on the profit and loss account credit side. See, interest on drawings, and these all are expenses. Interest on capital, salary to a partner, commission to a partner, all this is expenses for the firm, but it is a gain for the partner. So interest on capital, whatever interest amount has come, if a particular person or a partner is getting a salary, that amount will be written on the debit side of profit and loss account. Commission will be written on profit and loss account. Okay, now fluctuating method. First we have completed fixed capital method. In this what we have done, capital account and whatever other current account, two accounts were prepared. In the capital account we had written capital, additional capital and assets on the credit side, and in the current account we had written interest on drawings, salaries, commission, okay, net profit on the credit side, on the debit side drawings and interest on drawings. But in a fluctuating account, everything will be written on the only in one account, that is capital account. And usually in your accounting for this year you are most probably going to prepare current account. In some a few sums they are asking you the fixed method, otherwise they are asking you the fluctuating. Only one capital account is given, not the current account. When trial balance does not contain current account, that means you have to follow fluctuating capital method. When the current accounts are not given in your trial balance, then you are going to, what you are going to do, you are going to make this type of account, that is capital account. Now in your trial balance on the credit side, if balances are given and they are given on the credit side of the trial balance, partner of A, B or partner of X, partner Amit and Ashok are partners sharing profits and losses equally, and they have initiated to bring rupees 1 lakh and 1,50,000 as capital. So by balance brought down, whatever amount they have brought in will be written in their particular column. Ashok, Amit, whatever the name may be. Okay. If additional capital made during the year, suppose in the mid of the session, suppose on 1st July they introduce additional 50,000 and 25,000, then that is going to be written as by cash, additional capital brought in 50,000 and 25,000. Now interest you are going to calculate. How you are going to calculate the interest on 1 lakh for the whole year? On 50,000 you are going to calculate for 6 months. How much months we have utilized that fund? According to that we are going to calculate the interest on capital. Then salaries by profit and loss account, that is net profit. जो करंट अकाउंट में जो भी लिखा था हमने और कैपिटल अकाउंट वो क्या कर दिया है, फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड में कंबाइंड कर दिया है. व्हाट दे हैव डन, दे हैव मेड both the accounts settled in one account, that is known as capital account. No differentiation between capital and current account, that is known as fluctuating capital method. Now to balance brought down debit balance. If suppose one of the partner is having a debit balance, means the firm owes money, firmलाच partner कडनं पैसे यायचे, then that balance will be written on the debit side. Then drawings, interest on drawings. Here I have written net profit, whatever will come will be written on the credit side. But if it is a net loss, we are going to distribute the net loss among the partners in the said ratio, and we are going to write it over here. If net loss on the debit side of capital account, if net profit on the credit side of the capital account. Usually 95% credit sides are more of capital accounts. So we are first going to calculate the credit sides of both the capital account. On the same line we are going to write the capital balances, okay, and minus this figure from debit side total, and whatever will be remaining will be the balance carried down. ठीक है, कळालं. क्रेडिट साईडची टोटल करायची, त्याच्यातनं डेबिट साइड माइनस करायचं, जी फिगर उरेल वो जो बचता है वो क्या होगा, बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. ये आपके बैलेंस शीट में लाइबिलिटी साइड पे लिखी जाएगी. और ये यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ पर कुछ दिया ही नहीं है. सो दिस विल बी रिटन ऑन द लाइबिलिटी साइड. Is it clear? Now I'm going to take problem number 1. See, Anand and Bharat are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Now ratio is given to you. Okay. On 1st April 2019, the capital balances of Anand rupees 60,000 and Bharat rupees 30,000. Okay, so what are these? These are capital balances, 60,000 and 30,000. Their drawings were 12,000 and 10,000 respectively. As per the agreements, partners are allowed 10% interest on capital, and interest on drawings is to be charged at 12% per annum. Okay. Now what they are in the next statement, as per the agreement, interest on capital is to be charged at 10% and interest on drawings at 12%. Then Anand gets a salary of 2,500 per month. Anand, he may be a full-time their partner, so he is getting a full-time salary. Okay, 2,500 per month. So we are going to multiply it by 12. Because we are going to do the calculation of whole year. So 2,500 into 12. And Bharat is entitled to get a commission. See, now commission at 3% on net sales. Amount is rupees 5 lakhs. On 5 lakhs, what they are going to pay him? Commission at 3%. The firm's profit is rupees 60,000. What is the net profit of the firm? 60,000. Prepare partners capital account for the year 31st March 2019 under fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Now, according to fixed method, we have to prepare two types, that is this one, and the other is current account Other account is current account. We have to prepare two accounts. So what we are going to write in the capital account? See, by balance brought down. What is the capital invested? Anand. In the Anand column we have written 60,000. In the Bharat column we have written 30,000, because these are the initial contributions they have made in the firm. Then their drawings is 12,000. So drawings where we are going to write? In the current account. Nothing is to be written on the capital account. In the capital account only the capital of that particular partners is to be written and nothing else. All the adjustment related to this, all commission, salaries, interest on drawings will be written in the current account. See, now current account, interest on capital, 10% they had said interest on capital, that will come to 6,000, and 30,000 पे 10% 3,000 आएगा. फिर सैलरी है अभी 2,500 है, इंटू 12 करोगे तो 30,000 आएगी. किसको मिल रही थी? आनंद वॉज ड्रॉइंग अ सैलरी एट 2,500 इंटू ओके. कमीशन 5 lakhs पे इंटू 3%. And who was getting? Bharat was getting. Now, what was the capital sharing ratio? 2:3 was given in the sum. So we are, and what was the net profit? 60. So 60,000 into 2/5. 60,000 into 3/5. This will be the profit. So net profit they are going to share in their profit sharing ratio, that is 2:3. The total comes to 5, so 2/5 and 3/5. So by profit and loss account 24,036. Now drawings they have made. Drawings is 12,000 and 10,000 they have said, and interest on drawings is to be charged at 12%. See, what you are going to do? 12,000 into 12/100 into 6 because since date is not given, so what we are going to do? We are going to average drawings, interest on drawings we are going to charge. Okay, so this is important, so it will come to 720. This way, even for this one is the same, 10,000 into 12%. 600. See, now we have completed credit side. Now credit side of Bharat comes to 54,000 minus 10,600. So the remaining figure will be 43,400. On Bharat's credit side, Anand's credit side, total will be 60,000 of the current account. Right here 60 minus 12,720. The remaining will be the balance carried down to the new balance sheet. Okay, these figures you are going to write in the balance sheet liability side. Okay, so these you are going to write on the balance sheet liabilities. हे सगळं तुम्हाला दाखवलेलं आहे. Now fluctuating by balance. देखो अभी fluctuating में क्या करना है? वहाँ हमने दो बनाए थे. क्या किया था हमने? वहाँ दो बनाए थे. यहाँ पर क्या करना है? एक ही इसमें लिखना है. बाय बैलेंस देखो 60,000, 30,000. फिर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स वहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट में लिखा था. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? यह इसी अकाउंट में लिख रहे हैं 6,000 एंड 3,000. बाय सैलरी 30,000. बाय कमीशन 15,000. नेट प्रॉफिट एक ही अकाउंट में हमने लिखा है ना यहाँ पे. ओके, फिर बाय ड्राइंग्स 12,000, 10,000. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स 720 एंड 600. अभी जो बैलेंस बचेगा वो कहाँ लिखेंगे हम लोग? बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड पे. ये इंटरेस्ट मैंने कैलकुलेशन करके बताया है आपको किस तरह से आ रहा है 10% से. सी आई हैव शोन यू द इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स ऑल्सो 6/12 इट कम्स टू. देन आनंद 30,000 दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव शोन. ये 3% से भी मैंने वो इसमें ही बताया है. देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट 60 इंटू ये भी बताया है. सो दीज आर ऑल the form of working notes which are to be mentioned in your writing solving the sum. So thank you.